In today's fast-paced world, stress, anxiety, and fatigue have become common companions in our daily lives. Modern lifestyles put our bodies through constant stress, which can weaken the immune system, disrupt sleep, and affect mental clarity. Fortunately, nature offers us a class of herbs known as adaptogens, which help the body resist and recover from the impacts of stress, both physical and emotional. In this video, we'll explore what adaptogens are, why they're important, how they work in synergy with other herbs, and highlight 10 of the most powerful adaptogens you can incorporate into your routine. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. What are adaptogens? Adaptogens are a unique group of herbs and natural substances that help the body adapt to stressors, whether they are physical, emotional, or environmental. Unlike stimulants, which temporarily boost energy, or sedatives, which calm the nervous system, adaptogens work more holistically. They support the body's adrenal system, which regulates your body's hormonal response to stress, helping to stabilize and balance its physiological functions. The term adaptogen was first coined in the 1940s by Russian scientist Dr. Nikolai Lazarev, who observed that certain plants improved the body's ability to cope with stress without causing harm or imbalance. For an herb to be classified as an adaptogen, it must meet 3 criteria. Non-toxic. It should be safe and non-harmful to the body when taken in normal therapeutic doses. Non-specific. It should help the body resist a wide range of stresses, physical, chemical, or biological. Restorative. It should balance the body, whether by calming overactive systems or boosting underactive systems, essentially bringing the body back to homeostasis. Why are adaptogens important? Adaptogens are particularly important in today's society, where chronic stress is linked to a wide array of health problems, such as heart disease, diabetes, depression, and autoimmune conditions. When the body is stressed, it releases cortisol and other stress hormones that, over time, can lead to inflammation, weight gain, and disrupted sleep. Adaptogens help regulate cortisol levels, reduce oxidative damage, and promote overall wellness. By supporting the adrenal system, adaptogens act as a buffer against the long-term wear and tear that stress imposes on the body. They are also known to enhance mental clarity, boost physical stamina, and improve immune function. This makes them invaluable for individuals looking for a natural, holistic way to stay resilient in the face of life's challenges. How adaptogens work synergistically with other herbs. While adaptogens are powerful on their own, they often work synergistically with other herbs to enhance overall health benefits. Combining adaptogens with herbs that have complementary properties can create blends that address multiple needs at once. For example, adaptogens may be paired with nervine herbs, which calm the nervous system, or with digestive tonics to support the gut, which plays a major role in regulating stress responses. Here are a few examples of synergistic combinations. Ashwagandha plus rhodiola. Ashwagandha is a calming adaptogen, while rhodiola is energizing. Together, they create a balanced formula that reduces stress without causing drowsiness. Holy basil plus lemon balm. Holy basil is uplifting and supports mental clarity, while lemon balm is soothing and can help with anxiety. The combination is ideal for balancing mood swings. Schisandra plus eleuthero. Schisandra is great for liver support, while eleuthero boosts endurance. Together, they support both detoxification and physical stamina. Top 10 adaptogens and how they work. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera. Primary benefits: reduces anxiety, lowers cortisol, boosts immunity. Synergy, pairs well with relaxing herbs like valerian or passionflower for sleep support. How it works. Ashwagandha calms the nervous system and reduces the body's response to stress, making it ideal for anxiety and insomnia. Rhodiola rosea. Primary benefits: enhances mental clarity, reduces fatigue, improves resilience. Synergy, combines well with stimulating herbs like ginseng for an energy-boosting effect. How it works. Rhodiola boosts energy levels by supporting the adrenal glands and improving oxygen utilization in cells, making it ideal for those dealing with burnout. Holy basil, Otimum sanctum. Primary benefits: supports mood, reduces stress, enhances cognitive function. Synergy: pairs with nervines like lavender to enhance calmness. How it works: holy basil improves mood and supports the body's response to mental stress while also balancing blood sugar levels. Eleutherococcus centicosus. Primary benefits: increases stamina, improves immune function, and supports focus. Synergy: works well with brain-boosting herbs like ginkgo biloba for mental clarity. How it works: Eleuthero strengthens the body's response to physical stress and is often used for endurance and recovery. Schisandra chinensis. Primary benefits: enhances endurance, supports liver health, improves concentration. Synergy: pairs with detoxifying herbs like dandelion for liver health. How it works: Schisandra is both an adaptogen and a liver tonic, making it great for supporting detoxification while boosting mental performance. Cordyceps sinensis. Primary benefits: boosts energy, enhances respiratory health, and improves physical performance. Synergy: combines well with immune-boosting mushrooms like reishi for comprehensive immune support. How it works: Cordyceps increases oxygen utilization, making it beneficial for improving stamina and respiratory function. Reishi, Ganoderma lucidum. Primary benefits: calms the mind, supports the immune system, and improves sleep. Synergy: pairs with calming herbs like chamomile for improved relaxation. How it works: reishi helps to regulate immune function while promoting deep relaxation and restful sleep. Licorice root, Glycyrrhiza glabra. Primary benefits: supports adrenal function, reduces inflammation, and soothes the gut. Synergy: pairs with demulcents like marshmallow root for gut health. How it works: licorice root helps regulate cortisol levels, making it useful for long-term stress recovery. Maca, Lepidium mayeni. Primary benefits: boosts libido, supports hormonal balance, and enhances energy. Synergy: pairs with hormone-balancing herbs like Vitex for women's health. How it works: maca is known for balancing hormones and improving energy, especially in cases of sexual dysfunction or fatigue. Shatavari, Asparagus racemosus. Primary benefits: balances hormones, supports fertility, and nourishes the reproductive system. Synergy: pairs with tonics like red raspberry leaf for women's reproductive health. How it works: Shatavari is particularly beneficial for women's health, supporting hormone balance, fertility, and menstruation. Adaptogens are powerful allies in the quest for better health and well-being. Their ability to restore balance and promote resilience in the face of stress makes them invaluable in today's high-stress environment. When combined with other herbs, they can create powerful synergistic blends that address multiple health concerns. Whether you're looking to improve mental clarity, balance hormones, or boost physical stamina, adaptogens offer a natural solution to help your body thrive.